Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at dreaded nose pimples. While you watch these examples, let me tell you about the benefits of comedone extractor tools. Pimple popper tools do an amazing job of expressing pores and popping zits without spreading bacteria and causing scars. Don't get me wrong though, cheap tools will do permanent damage to the skin. That's why I'm picky with my pimple popper tools. I'll put a link in the description below to my favorite pimple popping kit. It's the only kit I trust with my skin and my nose pimples. So check out the Amazon link below and order yours today. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.